Hello guys, and welcome back again to another USO tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change or edit your keybinds. For those who are using keyboard, this tutorial will help you a lot, so you can edit, or for example there is some people that has some kind of keyboard that that's pro USO keyboard that has only 2 keys and helps you a lot in the game. Some people don't know how to edit the keys of his keyboard and the options of the game. So basically today I'm gonna help you to do so. First of all, go ahead and open USO and then click on options, and then go to up here in this console section, and then click on it, and from here you can see this change keyboard bindings. So click on them, and from here you will have left click like the USO game, the USO game and USO Taiko mode, and the USO catch mode, and the USO mania game, and every type of modes in USO. So for example, let's see about USO the normal game, which has circles. The normal USO game, you have here left click and right click. So left click is like you can use it as for example, using your mouse you can do it, or else you can use it by keyboard. So for example, we want to change it from Z to something else, so for example we can make it L, but I really like Z, so here you go. Now there is right click as well, and there is smoke. Here in USO Taiko there is drum center X, drum center right. These keybinds will help you a lot if you want to learn about Taiko and Catch Mania, the modes in USO, because at the beginning I really didn't know what keys to press in that games, but after I saw this options and this keybind list, I really learned how to play them better and which keys I should press instead of spamming all of my keyboard and breaking it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.